Since the outbreak of the deadly COVID-19 pandemic in the country, several measures have been put in place to curb its spread and to avail treatment to those that contract the virus. Government has released several standard operating procedures for public transport operators and arcades. It has also vigorously promoted the adoption of behavior like social distancing, wearing masks, not touching one's face, among others, all with the intention of curbing the spread of infections. Those who have tested positive for the virus are taken into government health facilities for treatment and observation. Today, a group of civil society organizations headed by the Food Rights Alliance have urged government to consider including the consumption of nutritious foods as one of the positive behaviors promoted for the prevention of COVID-19. This is one of the proposals included in an open letter to President Yoweri Museveni.
Is that we wish the eating of nutritious foods and protective foods be included as part of the standard operating procedures.
Some of the foodstuffs that have been listed as important in boosting the body's immunity in the fight against COVID-19 include lemons, oranges, tangerines, onions, watermelon, pineapple, and other fruits that are rich in vitamin C, which is essential in the fight and treatment of the COVID-19. Leafy vegetables such as spinach, nakati, cabbage, and others are also among the top body immunity building foodstuffs. They are foods which have vital chemical compounds such as onions, turmeric, red pepper, ginger, honey, garlic, beans, pumpkins are also among the essentials. Others include silverfish, mukene, fatty fish, chicken, milk, mushrooms, among others.
Even when we have the disease condition, let's struggle as much as possible to get foods rich in these compounds or these nutrients so that they can promote healing and prevent further degeneration of the condition.
Jen Nalunga, the executive director of Siatini, says government should protect indigenous foodstuffs through laws by making them available in the markets.
Some of our regulations are not really very supportive of the production of nutritious food. For example, when you look at the taxes, because when we talk about nutritious foods, there is also the other flip side, foods which are not nutritious, like fizzy drinks.
But there is nothing like a statutory instrument on food. And the question is why? The public has now been left at the mercy of whoever cares.
The activists believe if good diet is used to boost the immunities of Ugandans, government would not be spending lots of funds on treating the people.
But if we are to look into the importance and the significant role of the foods that we eat, we are fighting this disease internally. It will then cut on the cost that we are spending currently on the treatment.
The civil society organizations are calling on government to also include stimulus packages for the agriculture sector to improve food supplies in the markets. Juma Kiria, NTV.